you're recording. I don't have to say anything.
Well, you're being the tough guy from middle school.
Okay, shame if something happened to your really cool camera. Like I borrowed it. We can pretend to threaten Captain Dahlman with breaking his kickstand. And it'll never stand up on its own. Your bike's weak.
I can't believe they didn't replace his kickstand.
No, well it was so funny because he was being such a dick, and the guy was like, "Don't brake so hard, like you did something," and he was like, "Nuh-uh." Just fix my bike.
Oh, here he comes.